So we're on our way to Crew Guest Farm now. There's a stunning pass we're going to go through, Seweweekspoort. Seweweekspoort, turn off to the right. Hey, our first gravel for the day. Do you think we have to get through that mountain? I think that's going to be awesome.
I'm ready.
That's interesting, eh? But they've
Mud, eh?
collapsed ages ago.
What?
Look there at the top, there's still a few bricks on
yeah.
the top there, yeah.
Wow.
Very interesting, eh?
I wonder who lived here or what it was.
If it was a house to stay in. It's funny how these gravel road passes. Our first gravel road pass we took was the Swartberg Pass and then the Montagu Pass. But they all got this intimidating feel to them, eh?
Yeah, makes Swartberg Nature Reserve. How coincidental was that?
Crazy.
Did you know this is the Swartberg Nature Reserve?
No, I did not.
Wow. Yeah, it makes one feel small, eh? Tiny. Stats.
1883, 650 meters above sea level. Wow. What's very interesting with this Cape Fold Mountains and the Seweweekspoort Pass goes through this, and it's the highest peak or the highest point in the Western Cape is here in the Cape Fold Mountains, which is very close to the Seweweekspoort Pass.
Yeah, it's called the Seweweekspoort Peak.
I wonder if that's not it over there.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Wow.
They say it's close to the pass, but we won't get there, I think.
No,
Clearly
but look
not.
at that. Just check at that rock face. Insane. I'm telling you. Look at that pattern, how those rocks. Now, isn't that how the magma of something, because how the rock was melted and it pushed up?
But look at these like layers.
Yeah, look at the formation of the layers, isn't it? How it was pushed up from underneath.
Yeah, we don't have that knowledge, but that looks like a solid, that layer.
Above it. Yeah.
Much bigger than any of the others. But I don't know how to explain.
But just check the layers though, it's incredible. Check how the chunks have fallen down here. Oy vey. I would like to know why it was called Seweweekspoort. Oh. I have to taste this water. Telling you, spring water. You see there's that wet spot down the side of that cliff. There's water dripping there, I can see it, I don't know if you can see it, but you can see the wet spot. Now I can just imagine with a lot of rain and that water's gushing down there, what it looks like. I don't know if you'll remember, a couple of episodes back we went through the Montagu Pass, which is just outside George, and there we got to the restored toll house and we had coffee and pancakes there. Now I wonder if this was not something similar, where they used to charge toll for the wagons to go through on this road, or this structure here, because it looks so similar.
Possible, eh?
It would be interesting to know if it really was, or what the structure was. You described that well. It looks like a heart, eh? A small heart inside a big heart.
Yeah. Yeah, if you use a little imagination, I see a ginormous heart.
Yeah.
And then I do see the smaller one in the middle, yeah.
Look at this welcome. Picky, how's this building style? Crew guest farm. Kitchen. This is quite neat, eh? And the bedroom. Air conditioner. Wow. Check this out. Toilet. Hey! My gran used to have something like that. Check out the shower. But dark. Wow. Check out the brass and the copper. Stunning. And it's sink basin on an old Singer sewing machine thing. Check all the springbuck. Really put so much effort into building this house. It is beautiful. It just blends in with the mountainside. It really blends in with the mountains here. It is beautiful, eh? We've been doing this for a while now, and if you look at the background here, you can see the place where we're staying is absolutely stunning. It blends into the mountainside like you can't believe. It's just fantastic. And the road we took through, the Seweweekspoort, was stunning. I hope you enjoyed this series of videos that we sent out. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll see you in the next episode.